Hello guys. So this is our second day of getting better day by day, and 1% growth daily. We have to do in daily basis. So guys, we have a topic right now that in U.S. elections, there were two candidates from both the parties. First one is Donald Trump, and second one is Kamala Harris. So many people and Indians are very happy because Donald Trump finally won the elections, and at the same time people are trolling Kamala Harris, and they say that it's better for India that Donald Trump was won. But according to me, yeah, it's beneficial to the India that Donald Trump won the election. Also, there was another point that we have to notice that Kamala Harris is the first Indian origin woman who participated in US elections. So it's a big deal itself because she's person, first uh, first black person, you can say, first black woman who stand for the US elections from India. And it's grateful to us because in it's a big deal that another that a woman from a developing country, she is nominated as a elective person in US elections. And also, as we know that UK Prime Minister is Rishi Sunak. He is also an Indian. So now India is ruling the superpowers, you can say, because Indian peoples are everywhere, and they are dealing in such a huge state, such a powerful state as a nominative elective. Now there is another thing that we have to notice, that in Indian politics no one foreigner can come and compete Indian person. Even they can't stand with an Indian person against Indian person. But as we see in United States of America and United Kingdom elections, there were Indian candidates too. So it is growing time, guys. So we have to grow as the country are developing. So it's our responsibility to grow day by day. Thank you.